Please take notes. While trading can be rewarding, it comes with high level of risk and you can lose all your funds. And also note that videos on this channel are for educational purposes only. None is intended as investment advice. Please do your own research and also consult your financial advisor if you need one. Thank you. All right, so in this video, we are going to be showing you how to place the different order types, how to place and use them. I'm going to also outline the reasons for each order type. All right, because if you know why you are doing it, it makes it a whole lot easier for you. Right, so we're going to start with the instant execution orders, which are also known as the market order. So whenever you see instant execution or market order, they mean one and the same thing. What does that mean? It means execute it as you're seeing it, place the order. Let's say you see an order to sell euro USD, for example, at the current price. Look at the price right now. So if you just tap here, this button here, plus button here, it provides the order page. All right, so here you place your order. It said instant execution. You can see that some would say market order. So it tells you to sell Euro USD instantly at the current price. So it gives you stop loss. So when you are selling, stop loss is usually above the price where you are selling at, and take profit is usually below it. Right. So for instance, now we are selling at the current price. The current price is, if we are selling now, see the price is going to use for us, the lower one, which is this blue one. All right. This blue one, which is 1.13730. You can see the spread is wide. Now, the reason the spread is this wide is because this is holiday. Today is Good Friday, and there's bank holiday in the US. So, brokers tend to widen spread when liquidity is very low. Okay, so this is it. So now we're going to set up the stop loss order. Let's say we're using 10 pip stop loss. So now you are counting from the bold ones. Now 7-3 is the last, is the bold one, right? And now the one that will take out the stop loss order is the one on the right side. If you are selling, this is the ask price, is higher than the bid price. The bid price is the one we're going to sell at. So the ask price is one that you close the trade. All right. So we want to say we use 20 pips stop loss. So you count 20 pips from this. So just add 20 to the 2 4 here. You have 9 4. So that will give you the stop loss 9 4. All right. And the TP, you want to also use 20 pips. So you deduct, it's also this one that will close it. You deduct 20 from it, which is 5 4. So we'll type 5 4, and that settles it. So we sell. Okay, price. Okay, it's instant execution. Okay, let's see. Time out. You see that, so because the connection went off, so we have to redo it. We have to redo it, and let's see. Okay, we can still do that. Let's see. Okay, let's still sell again. So let's set the stop loss again. Let's do 9 4. All right, and take profits 5 4. Remember what we did? We added 20 pips to this, and we're adding it to the big one, to the bold one there. That's the last. You can see there are 4 digits there. All right, yeah, there are 4 digits there. So we're adding it to the bold ones. The small one there is just a fraction of the pip. Okay, so we sell. You can see that. So the order is placed now. You can see. So now we can see it's going that way now. So let's do the sell pending order, because instant execution for buy we're going to come to it, but let's quickly finish all of the sell. So for sell pending order, we want to do sell limit. Sell limit means if price, you want to enter at a price higher than the current price, a future price higher than the current price. So where it is now, you feel it's not good enough, you can say, okay, sell for me, sell limit. Let's quickly select it first. Sell limit. Sell for me if price rises to maybe 1.13, maybe 7.6. Okay, and this time around, what will trigger the sell limit order is the ask price, the 72 here now. So we're going to use that to measure. All right, and your profit, once it peaks, this ask price will begin to work. The bid price rather on the left is one that will trigger it, while the one that will close it eventually will be the ask price on the right. Okay, so let's set the limit order. So you come tap here. So let's say we add just let's add 5 pips. So if you add 5 pips to this, you'll be having 878. So we'll just do 1.1378. Okay, and stop loss will do 20 pips. So 1.113 um, 98. Okay, so using the price here to calculate your stop loss, or TP will now be deduct 20 from that. That will be 58. And then you place. So that's sell limit order. Now, sell stop order is a sell that you want to sell at a future price that is lower than the current price. Usually good for breakouts. So you enter there, go there, sell stop. Okay, so this time around it will be below the current price. So let's use 5 pips below the current price. The one that will trigger it will be the ask price, the one on the right. So you set 5 pips below that. So let's just do six. Let's even do 70, and then our stop loss will be to 90, and then our take profit will be to 50. Okay, so let's place it. All right, so that's stop loss. Okay, all right, so that we have set all the sell orders, right? So let's go ahead and do buy limit and buy stop. So why do you use buy stop? I've told you the reason for these orders. Instant execution, you like the current price, you enter, you sell. All right. And for sell limit, you feel that price will still rise before it goes down, you set it above the current price. And for sell stop, you feel that where it's headed already, if you want to wait for it to rise, it may not. So it's going swift. So you just set it there that by the time it gets there, it breaks a particular support, it won't look back. So that's your belief. So you set your sell stop there. So let's use buy limit this time around. Okay, okay, let's use buy instant execution first. So I want it at this current price. You put your stop loss. Let's use 20 pips. So this time around, the stop loss will be below the current price. So we use 5.3 because what that will hit your stop loss is this. So use 5.3. So you do our TP. We use 9.3. This time around, buying with 9.4. Let's use 9.4. Okay, so we'll buy. Okay, so that's for buy, and then for buy limits, so you use that to buy at a future price lower than the current price. So you just use stop loss. Let's enter first. Well, let's say we buy at 70, and then stop loss at 50, and then TP at 9. Sorry, yes, TP at 90. So you place that for buy limit. Next, it will be buy stop. Buy stop, you want to buy at a future price higher than this. So let's say we just do buy stop here. So you select, let's say we just use 2 pips above this. So the one I'll pick it, let's use this. That will be the one on the left, which is the the bid price. So let's quickly use that. Enter 7. Let's use 76. Okay, then 76. Okay, so stop loss we use 5.6, and TP we do 9.6. So we place it. So the others are placed. So that's how you place all the other types: buy limit, buy stop, sell limit, sell stop, buy instant execution, sell instant execution. I hope you got that. So that's how it is done. So if you have any questions, you want to drop it and probably in the comments here. And you can also join our trading platform if you are not yet there, where you receive free trading signals to help you to make and keep profits. Now you see the buy. Hold on, please hold on. Okay, just hold on. Okay, now if you see here, you can see that the buy. How many buy orders we have here? 2 buy orders now. So meaning that the buy stop order has been triggered. All right. The sell limit order has also been triggered. So 2 orders have been triggered. Pending orders, the buy stop and the sell the sell limit. So that's why you now have two buy orders active and two sell orders active. So what the first sell order here is the instant execution, while the now this instant execution sell order, now you can see it is not as good as the sell limit pending order. You can see the pending order is the one that is up here, which is the one that is in 0.26 here, right? The instant is 0.76. Now the buy orders, the buy that is less in value, which is the one at the top here, is the buy stop order, while the other one is this buy instant execution order, because we bought it instantly at a better lower price. Okay, so that's how to place the order types: buy order, sell order, instant execution or market order, sell order, buy limit, and sell limit, buy stop and sell stop. You can see that the buy limit order here for this one now hasn't been triggered, and the sell stop here hasn't been triggered. Okay, so only the buy stop and the sell limits have been triggered. Okay, so go ahead and practice this, and if you have any questions, ensure that you ask in the comments. Ask the question. All right, take care. Now if you want to close it, of course, if you want to close it or adjust your stop loss, you can also just pinch here a bit, and then you can see it brings out the options there. You modify. You want to move your stop loss order, for example, now to where you entered at 7676, so that no more loss on this. You see that? Then you can also even move your take profit order. So this one, the same thing here. You can also move your stop loss order to where you enter. This one we entered at 74, so you can actually move it to well, you can even do it at 762. All right, so you can see that. So now this, or you can also adjust this for the sell. You can say you want to move your stop loss or your take profit rather. You make your take profit better than it is. So that's just how that. If you want to close, you can also close. Like if you want to close this one, you can just tap on close order, and that is done. All right. So if you have any questions, do well to ask it, and we'll gladly answer you. All right. Subscribe, like, comment, and follow Ifeanyi for more updates on Facebook at Naira for Gold, LinkedIn at Stay Profitable, Stay Focused. See you next week. Thank you very much for watching, and bless you.